Let's identify some features going anterior to posterior. Located here, we have a massive band of white matter. This is called the corpus callosum. This is a tract of myelinated axons that connects the left hemisphere to the right hemisphere. This is the corpus callosum. Here we have the lateral ventricle, and this portion is called the fornix. Inside the lateral ventricle here, you may see some vascular matter. You can pull it out with your forceps or with your sharp probe. This vascular matter, located in the ventricles, is called choroid plexus. It makes cerebrospinal fluid. This region right here is called the thalamus. We often think of it as a relay station for sensory inputs to the cerebral cortex. Beneath the thalamus is a region called the hypothalamus. You can locate the hypothalamus because of other structures that surround it. It is inferior to the thalamus, it is superior to the optic chiasm, and slightly anterior to the mammillary body. This region is the hypothalamus. To review, this is the midbrain here. We have the cerebral aqueduct passing through the midbrain. This is the pineal gland. This is the superior colliculus. This is the inferior colliculus. This is the pons. This is the medulla oblongata, and this is the spinal cord. This is the central canal of the spinal cord. Here is the cerebellum, and inside the cerebellum are branches of white matter called arbor vitae.